Today, I'd just like to keep it short and tell you that the thing that you see on social media that people are earning 1 crore in revenue and profit. They are two very different things, but people use it interchangeably. And this is actually done to fool you because the revenue is the money that you generated from your business. Profit is the part that came to you, that you earned after paying all the taxes to the other people you are hiring, your rents, and all the other overhead expenses. What people do is that they are going to tell you a lot about that. I earned 75 lakhs as a freelancer, I earned 1 crore as a freelancer in revenue, my clients have this revenue, but no one actually talks about the net profit they get. Now it is completely subjective, and yeah, I completely respect it that people do not talk about their profits. Not everyone wants to tell their income, but if you are marketing your courses, if you are marketing and your whole personal brand is built around the numbers that you generated, then you must tell what is the net profit you got. So let me break this bubble. See, people and agencies, what they do is usually agencies which are having over 40, 50 employees who come into office and a lot of subcontractors and freelancers, they tend to save around 30 to 40% of the total revenue. So if the agency did 1 CR in revenue throughout the year, the net profit with the agency founders would be somewhere between 30 to 40 lakhs. That's an average. It can be much higher, it can be on the lower end, it can be even negative. That's also a case. But you guys need to understand that revenue is very different from profit. Next time you see someone saying that we earned this much in revenue, please ask them about net. Because in freelancing, this is by far the best trick to get people to pay you and then just make your own money, right? Because not many people know the difference between revenue and profits. They are not the same. You cannot use them interchangeably. If I say I generated 500,000 in revenue for my clients, so that is for my clients. That's the result I gave them. It's not the money I got in my bank. Understand this thing. If I generated 500,000 for them, I got a small percentage of that thing as my compensation, remuneration, or whatever you call it. That is my net profit or my net earning. You cannot simply pay to anyone or believe anyone because they generated this amount in total revenue, because revenue can be 1 crore and you can still end up in a net loss. Many people report these losses to avoid taxes. You can see this on the Shark Tank brands as well. You see Shadi.com, Lenskart, Encure Pharma, every other company that is over there apart from one or two, they are reporting net losses even after having a very good gross revenue. Now, these can be for the purposes that they do not want to pay taxes. If you show it as losses, your business has not made any single penny. So, what kind of tax are you going to pay? It can be that strategy, it can be that they are not just earning, or it can be anything, right? You cannot say anything concrete on it. But the thing, net and a gross, total revenue and profit are two different things. All right, that is pretty much it. I wanted to clear it in this real short video because as the freelancing industry grows, there will be a lot of fake coaches who are going to present themselves very superior, very above you, very experienced, but all they will be talking about is revenue, revenue, revenue. When someone talks about their net profit, you listen to that person, that too after believing that they have that kind of credibility and proofs to back it up. And this is personally why I like myself the most, because whatever I do it with proofs. So if someone asks me that you say that you have generated 500,000 for businesses, what is the proof? I have client testimonials from their founders, their COOs, their CEOs, their marketing managers. Even if you then don't believe me, you can look up to their profiles. You can check their companies, you can check the funding we raised, you can check the money that came in from the pitch decks I wrote. I wrote a pitch deck that got in around 10.2 million US dollars in funding for one of my clients. But these are the things which most people will not tell publicly. Even I didn't want to tell it publicly because it doesn't benefits you in any case. It is simply my achievement. Like, I did it, so what? That was my job, I got paid for it, so that is pretty much it, right? Now, yeah, that's pretty much it for this quick video. I just wanted to tell you the difference between these two. Apart from that, if you have any other question, query, so you can just let me know in the comment section. And yeah, please do something about the subscriber count. This shit is not growing, and the watch time is also not growing at the pace I am expecting it to. So give me something in return, bhai. That's not how, like, it is a two-way street. So I give value, you give appreciation, right? If not the money, or I give you money, so you give me appreciation. That's not how we want to do it. So yeah, please do something about it, and I'll see you in the next one.